2022 was a great year, and I was very fortunate to be working at Berman Physical Therapy, Naples, Florida, which is a 7-figure cash-based physical therapy practice. So if you're a physical therapist and you're interested in cash-based physical therapy, then stay tuned to this video because I'm going to go over my 3 top lessons that I learned working at a 7-figure cash-based PT practice so you can implement these lessons into your own business. And real quick, make sure you hit that like button below and subscribe. And if you're someone who wants to improve their cash-based PT sales skills, if you want to learn how to start or grow your own cash-based PT practice, then fill out that coaching application below. If we're a good fit together, we're going to jump on a call and we're going to figure out how you can start making more money through cash-based PT. The number one most important lesson I learned working at a 7-figure cash-based physical therapy practice is that you have to have a proven offer. You have to have a proven offer in order to succeed in this business. So you have to have an offer that brings massive value to your target demographic, and it has to be different than what your competitors are offering. So the number one aspect of our offer that's different than other clinics in Naples, Florida, is that we focus on treating the root cause of a problem rather than just managing symptoms. So this next part may trigger some insurance-based PTs. However, the number one reason patients do business with Berman Physical Therapy is because we get the best outcomes in Naples, Florida. And I know some PTs have told me in the past that there's no evidence in the research that cash-based PT gets better outcomes than insurance-based PT. And honestly, I haven't read that research, so I can't speak on it. I can only speak on from my experience. And when I talk to my patients, I ask them, why did they decide to do business with us? Why did they decide to pay a lot of money, $349 an hour to be exact, over clinics that are charging much less where they could save a lot more money? They say, the number one reason that they do business with us is because we actually solved their problem and we're continuing to solve their problem and we're helping them do the things in life that they want. And to me, that makes the most sense because at the end of the day, patients don't care about the modality or the treatment or what you're doing with them. They care about what outcome and what type of life you're gonna help them achieve. The number 2 lesson I learned working at a 7-figure cash-based physical therapy practice is that physical therapy school is designed to help you pass the boards. However, it's not designed to teach you how to be successful in cash-based PT. Physical therapy school does not teach you the high-level communication and clinical skills required to be successful in a cash-based PT practice. So luckily for me, when I first started working at Berman PT, I had a residency style period where I had intense mentorship about business and clinical skills to be able to treat and communicate in a way that was effective in cash-based PT. Unfortunately, most PTs don't have this style residency training. So if you're looking to get more successful in cash-based PT, there's 3 options for you. Either get hired by a successful cash-based PT and get mentored by them, take some high-level CEU courses that actually translate well into cash-based physical therapy, or get coaching from people that have already been successful in cash-based PT, or better yet, do all 3. And the third lesson that I learned working at a 7-figure cash-based physical therapy practice is that it's actually very rewarding to work in this setting. I know we talk a lot on this channel about how to make more money and how cash-based PT gives you a greater ability for financial freedom. However, we should not neglect the aspect that cash-based physical therapy is very rewarding because you get to make a unique impact on your patients' lives and health. So let's be honest real quick. The number one reason we all applied to physical therapy school in the first place is because we wanted to have a massive impact on the physical health of our community. And unfortunately, the corporate medical system really hinders that process and has been very disappointing to a lot of us. So at Berman Physical Therapy, I'm very grateful that we're having a massive impact on the physical health of the patients within our community. And the number one takeaway I want y'all to have is if you have a great service, it's going to be very rewarding and you're going to help a lot of people and the money will just come along with it. So hopefully y'all got some value from this video and my experience working at a 7-figure cash-based physical therapy clinic and the top 3 lessons that I took away from it. So if you're someone who's really motivated to start selling cash-paid PT quicker for higher rates, or if you want to learn how to start or scale your own cash-paid PT clinic, then fill out this coaching application below and we can get started soon. And if you want to get some more information on how to sell cash-paid PT more effectively, then click this video right here.